Hello, everybody. My name is Lavender and today I'm going to give you a simple yet detailed guide on how to get to your house and build there on mobile. Enjoy! This is the Ponytown map. When you first join, you start here. This is the harbor. You can get to your house from there. I am currently at spawn. The easiest way to get to the harbor is to simply follow this path. When you've got the hang of it, you can make shortcuts to get there faster. There is a sign here, you can see which direction the harbor is. It's pretty useful, there are multiple things on this sign. Very helpful for beginners. Now get onto the boat and go to your house. This is how your house looks like. Scroll down your expressions list, you will see a settings icon. Press it, you can make more expressions and other stuff, but in this case we need to get the stuff for building. You can see here what all of the things do. Grab them and place them in your expressions list. It's actually quite simple, just click on the tool you want to use and, well, use it. Here's a small demonstration of how each tool works. Tip: don't leave the clear house button when you're building, you might accidentally delete your house. Use the /clear house command to clear your house instead. Don't forget to save your house. Use the load house button to load your saved house later on.